The grass is starting to green up. That means spring has arrived. Today I'm going to kick off a 3-part series. What I'm going to do to the yard to get it really kick-start it. So to start greening up evenly. You see the little green spots from the doggy. So I'm going to head to the garage. We're going to put on the Scarify cartridge and we're going to start off by cleaning up the yard. Had a lot of pine tree and debris from, you know, all the woods around, as you can see. And also acorns and stuff on this oak tree. But we're going to go through the whole yard, this whole front yard, really clean it up good. So let's head to the garage. Hey guys, welcome to Sunny Bermuda. Today we're going to take that little Scarify out, first of a 3-part series, and we're going to get I've already got it on. We're going to get the yard cleaned out, get it ready for a quick reel mow. We're going to lower it down. If you remember last time, I'll leave a little link up here. We cut it down low to 1 1/4 inches with my little rotary. I'll show you right here. My little Craftsman M250 rotary. Lowest it'll go is 1 1/4. I typically keep my yard at 1 inch with the Allett, and this Allett will go down to 1/4 inch. I'll probably drop it down to maybe 7.75, 3/4 inch with the reel mower. That'll be my little scalp, and then it'll get room to green it up to 1 inch and try and keep it at 1 inch. So let's get this cranked up and we'll get in the yard and start cleaning it up. Okay guys, so we went through the front yard, right around 4,300 square feet. I went one way. I got the Scarify set, probably just below 1. I don't have it all the way down to the S, but I lost count at 15 buckets. You can see how much basically dead Bermuda grass I got out of it, all this thatch, you can see it. Thankfully I have a compost pile I can dump all this in instead of bagging it. I think I lost count on 15 trips. May have to go back on camera and see how many trips I'll know I dumped I'd go down once and come back halfway, and then that's when I would dump my grass catcher. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna drop it down right at the S mark, which is the Scarify mark, and go this way. Again, I'm not doing the ditch. That's one of this year's projects up there. That's another 4,300 square feet, just the ditch. So I'm concentrating just on this top area, 4,300 square feet. I'm gonna get down here. Yeah, as you can see, I'm right at probably a half. So I'm gonna continue to drop it on down until it bottoms out. And then I'm gonna, there we go. We bottomed out there. And now I'm just gonna go this way. First, I need to get my lawn tractor and empty this and see if we can fill it up again, see how much more we get out. All right, we got everything set up. Took that down to the pile and dumped it, a compost pile. Got this set on the S, Scarify. Okay guys, I just finished up the back and forth this way, finishing up the cross scarification of the yard. I first went this way, then I went this way, dropping it down to an S, the Scarify setting, and about overflowed. As you can see here, it's starting to fall off the edges here. Build it up even more. I could probably do it a couple more times, really, back and forth in this way, and get even more out. But that's enough for today. So if you're still with me, let's hang on, and I'll take you around there and we'll dump this in the compost pile. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this episode here at sunny Bermuda. We got the front yard scarified. We did 2 passes, one at 1.5 this way, and then we dropped it on down to the S, the Scarify setting on the Allett Kensington 20H. And then we went back this way, filled up that hopper twice to overflowing. So hope you enjoyed this one. We'll continue the series in the next video. If you like this, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, leave me a comment below, let me know what you think. We'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.